these tremendous structures of nature for millennia has been an inspiration for the Navajo and in later days the Hopi for their explorations, for them to come and wonder about the nature of the Creator who makes such magnificent structures. We should not look at it from today's context, that we have just driven in a matter of few hours. If you walked into this 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 years ago, and you sat here alone, if you're in this valley, even now I'm saying, if you stay in this valley for a few weeks all by yourself, the very energy and the tremendous power that these rock structures exude would leave you in some way transformed. How you use that energy? Either to raise your ability to survive, to hunt, to fight a war, or to delve deeper into who you are and the nature of your own making. Who can avoid wondering about the nature of creation and in turn, the nature of our own making? Who can avoid in some way thinking beyond the limitations of this puny body when you're here all by yourself? This is why there's a whole tradition that in India, any spiritual seeker means first he either goes to the Western Ghats or the Himalayas, because as you imbibe the volume of what the mountains and the rocks are, as you imbibe the energies that they exude, as you get lost in the labyrinth of what is Himalayan range, you cannot help very profoundly ponder upon the nature of the creation, upon the nature of your own creation, how you are made and why you are made and why you're here. What is the significance of your existence right now amid all these grand things that have happened in creation? So the Navajo for millennia have used this land as an inspiration, as an empowerment, as a tremendous source of strength and well-being. It is a great privilege today that so many people can just drive through just like that without the hardship of walking through this. My only hope is the comfort of a car does not make you miss the tremendous nature of what is here. What the Navajo felt, what they were inspired by, what they were empowered by, let it not be missed by you simply because we have the comfort of vehicular movement. Thanks to everybody who's managing and maintaining this place in as much pristine condition as it's possible for today's world.